Welcome to Be Mindset. I'm Deb, one of your coaches, and I am so excited to be on this journey with you. Thank you for investing in yourself and for allowing us coaches to join you on your journey and watch as you progress. I have seen some amazing transformations from both people and coach friends of mine who have been on this program for a month or so since its launch. And I am so optimistic about what is going to happen within this group, both mentally and physically. So thank you for being here, and I am pretty excited. I'm kind of nerdy. I get nervous with these videos. So if you see me looking up, I've got some notes posted so that I don't forget what I'm supposed to cover. First of all, I want to remind you that this group was created to be your support system and kind of your safety net. So use it. 6 out of 7 days, we coaches will post a motivational, encouragement, inspirational, little bit of information. Our posts usually go up by 6 a.m. So I would recommend checking in twice a day. Once in the morning as you get ready for work or your day, get your dose of encouragement, and then once in the evening, share your day, share your wins, share your struggles. Sometimes we'll ask you to share a selfie or a picture of your salad or whatever. So check back in the evening, share yourself, and also encourage others in this group. You will get out of this group what you put into this group. And the closer knit our community becomes, the more it will help each of us succeed. So get to know the people in this group, encourage them when they struggle, give them virtual hugs and high fives when they have great days, and they will in turn, I hope, do the same for you. So, okay, remember that this group was meant to be self-guided. So that means that you go at your own speed. If you have a busy couple of days and you miss a few posts, don't beat yourself up. Don't throw in the towel and give up. It's okay. Just get back in as soon as you can, make the time, and catch up when you can. Reversely, if you start watching the videos and you are super excited about what you're seeing and want to watch 10 in a row and jump ahead, you go, girl. Do it. That's awesome. So again, go at your own speed. Don't beat yourself up if you get a little behind, and just enjoy the process. All right, a few tools to talk to you about. Number one, your tracker, the tracker that came with this program. And I had it, I do have it here, the tracker. This thing is amazing. It can also double as your journal throughout this adventure. If you go to page 5, important page as you start, fill in your measurements and take your before pictures. Do not skip this part. It's the start of your journey, so you want to document it. And the pictures, get uncomfortable. Just bite the bullet, throw on some spandex and a sports bra or a swimsuit if you're comfortable, and take some pictures. Front and side for sure, and then back if you want to too. It's meant to be your starting point, and you're going to want to see your progression and your transformation, which you will have. So get uncomfortable. It's always uncomfortable for all of us, and do it. Speaking of transformations, Team Beachbody offers everybody who completes one of their programs the opportunity to earn some swag. Usually it's a t-shirt. I'm not sure what the To Be Mindset prize will be. I've gotten a few t-shirts myself, and it's very fun to get a free gift in the mail. What you have to do is you have to go to beachbodychallenge.com. You can go there and learn more about the contest and enter your information. You're going to have to enter your before pictures and your after pictures once you complete the program, and then answer some questions about the program and your journey. Then you're entered. Then you will automatically get a t-shirt or whatever they're giving out. You'll also be entered to win cash prizes. A lot of different options. Again, you can read about it, but it's kind of a nice incentive. So, and FYI, it does, it helps your coach kind of look good within the company. The more people that they've supported and that put their transformations in this challenge. So just a little plug. Okay, number 2, download the 2B Mindset Nutrition app. It is called Beachbody Nutrition Plus, if you haven't done that already. This is an amazing tool. I downloaded mine about a week ago, and I can't wait to start plugging my information in. It's got the 2B Mind. There's a number of 2B Mindset recipes right there at your fingertips. It's got all of the 2B Mindset videos there, which is very handy because if you can't always watch them on your computer, you can listen to them in the car. You can listen to them while you're walking your dog. Very nice to have right there on your phone. It also gives you access to the Beachbody cooking program, Fixate, which opens up your recipe. It gives you so many recipes that are healthy and delicious. So I was really excited to see that that was on there as well. So definitely check that out. And then it's also your daily tracker. So it allows you to plug in what you've done in the day and then get to see the progress. So definitely download that. Thirdly, buy a scale. I know this is completely different than what we've been preaching, and it was very different to us coaches as well. But this program uses a scale as a source of measurement, a tool of measurement, and it is your friend. This program follows the you either lose or learn principle. So for instance, there might be 3 days that you lose weight, and you know that because you step on a scale every morning. The 4th day, you gained a half a pound or a pound. You can immediately go back to your tracker, which is necessary that you do, and see why you gained that pound. Because something in your day the day before was different, whether it was sleep or water intake or your food choices. Maybe you didn't go to the bathroom the way you did in the days past, but you can go back and immediately see, aha, that's why. And it can either reassure you or it can cause you to kind of adjust today accordingly so that you go back to losing. So like a blood pressure cuff, it's just a tool to measure and stay on top of your health, an aspect of your health. So invest in a scale if you don't already have one and take your weight every morning. All right, now I am going to attempt to screen share the 2B Mindset Facebook page and kind of show you technically, once you get into the page, how you're going to find your information. All right, so here is your 2B Free Master Your Nutrition with Your Mindset Facebook page. When you get in here, the discussion is going to pop up. Now, I don't know why some of this stuff is on here. I don't know if you're going to see this, but I'm an admin, so I might see more than you're going to see. The discussion is going to be your daily encouragement, motivational post by your coach, which is going to pop up at 6 a.m. or so every day. That's what you're going to read first, and it's going to have some kind of a title, whether it's, prep week, day 1, week 2, day 3. You're going to know where you're at. Now, then you're going to go over to this tab over here called Units. This is going to be where you're going to find the information that coordinates with your 2B Mindset videos, your 2B Mindset nutrition videos. So you're going to start with prep week. You're going to go to see more, and you're going to go to prep week post 1 on Monday. Scroll down, and here's your prep week day 1 information. This is a long one because it's day 1. They're not all this long. This gives you really a lot of information about 2B Mindset. Asks you a few questions. We'd love for you to share and comment. And it gives you a video. Don't do these. Click on her and it'll pull up the appropriate video. This is in addition to the videos for your 2B Mindset program. For instance, this day 1, it doesn't reference a video. Let's go back and show you, let's see what prep week number 6. All right, so here, this one coordinates with one of your To Be Mindset program videos. So talks about veggies, and then I say, well, then our coaches say, if you haven't yet, make sure you watched video number 3 of your To Be Mindset program, A New Way to Look at Food Groups Veggies. And then check out, there's a resources also. So you're going to then go to your To Be Mindset. I wonder if I could find that for you. Okay, I'm going to go to nutrition programs. Where's my nutrition program? Oh, I'm going to want to go on Beachbody on Demand. Sorry. Okay, maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Yeah, that's not going to be a good idea. Okay, so then you find out, why is this taking so long? So it'll reference your To Be Mindset nutrition program and which video coordinates with this unit, which is also a post. So you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to go make sure you watched this video number 3. When we go into, everything here, if you want to jump ahead, everything's organized by, we got the prep week, then we got week 1, we've got week 2, week 3, week 4, and then there's a bonus week, week 5. She had a lot of information. So we did say originally this was a 4-week program. We did not really factor in that there was a prep week and then this bonus week of week 5 information. So, and then, and this is also another thing. For instance, prep week summary. Then at the very end of the week, there's a summary that just tells you by the end of this week, you should have watched these following videos and any resources that come up with those videos, which are just, pages of information that you can print out or reference. Okay, so hopefully that didn't cause you even more questions. If you do have questions, please post them below or contact your coach. Last thing, introduce yourself. Easy peasy. Take today or tomorrow before the group officially opens. Drop your picture. We love pictures, so we'd like to put a face to your name. Drop a selfie below. Share with us as much as you want at this point. Your goals or why you're doing this or just who you are, that you have kids and you're 45 like me or whatever. Whatever you're comfortable sharing, just because, again, that helps our community get tight. So thank you again. Looking forward to this journey, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday, day 1.